Let's make a working piano with layers. First, make a piano. Make sure you spend lots of time doing this, especially if you have deadlines coming up. Create a scene for your piano. It looks good, but it needs more drama. That's it. Now let's make our piano sound graph. Create an event. This will get called every time a note is played. Add a parameter of type MIDI data so we can pass in the note number and velocity. Expose that event so we can access it outside the sound graph. Wire that up to a sampler node. This node takes in MIDI note data and chooses sound files to play based on that data. Hit load folder and select a folder full of piano samples. Make sure each sound file has the note number in the name, so layers can automatically assign them to a note number. Add an audio out so we can play audio from the sampler. Set the spatial blend to 1 so it plays back in 3D space. We need to tell the sounds where to play though, so let's add a new variable of type transform and wire it up to the play at transform property. All sounds played through the audio out will play at that transform's position. Set the variable to exposed as input so we can access it outside the graph. Add an object to the scene where we want audio to come from. Add the sound graph player to it and drag its transform into the transform variable. Next we have to set up the keys so we can get this piano playing. We'll create a script that contains the note number of the key. We'll add that script to each key and set the correct note numbers. I'm not going to make you watch all of this. We'll add a script to the camera that controls highlighting and activating the key scripts. When a key is active, it'll reach out to the piano sound graph player and trigger or function to play a note, passing in that key's note number so the correct note is played. Check that out! For extra credit, you can create a mixer channel for the piano and add some sweet reverb. Just route the audio out through the channel.